Alright, I don't know if you can hear me over the machine, but this is the half-size bell. It's 4.5 inches across. And this is the full-size bell, still under construction. This is a 16-hour print here. These little lines on the surface, you can see that one in the reflection, and there's another one down there, that one. Those lines are seam, which is apparently each layer of 3D print stitches together, and the machine has to handle that somehow. There's always a math error, I guess. That'll sand off. Yeah, I'm going to print this out. I'm going to coat it in casting investment plaster. Then I'm going to bury that in a sand form to, sandbox to support the plaster. Melt out the plastic, or burn it out. And then pour bell bronze into the cavity and make the big one, and maybe the little one too, make them as bells for my boat. So that's where we're at. Thank you for watching.